Hello and welcome to another unboxing video where we will unbox today the Lonerider Overlander 48 liter. Let's start with it. Let's see what all things are included in this. So there is a hard inner liner that keeps the bag in its position. There is an upper multi-utility strap that can be used both the ways. I can put it this way or I can put it that way. It comes with a lot of straps. There are small buckles that can be used in different ways. And there are longer straps also for the mounting. The very first impression to this bag, rough and tough build quality with a premium material. Two velcros as well on both the sides, fit in its position. You can open this air valve. This top section goes here. See, it's like a backpack for me. You have the straps here. You have the multi-utility add-on here. Also store your hydration pack inside this. This side there is a small pocket for quick accessibility. Let's say these straps or whatever you want to put it. These small buckles can be attached here for any kind of utilities or mounting options. Or if I want to put a tent here and just lock it, you don't have to carry a separate bag for carrying your tent. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one with the mounting and setup on the bike on my 1300 GS. Till then, ride safe, ride responsibly.